Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today we will complete the poem that is Our Legend of the Northland. And in this poem there are 16 stanzas, and yesterday we have learned 8 stanzas. Today we will learn next 8 stanzas. What was there in this? And this is a poem this is a ballad. And what is ballad? That actually in this poem we will learn about a story actually, and the story is told in a poem form, and this poem is having small stanzas. Yesterday we have learned 8 stanzas. Today we will learn next 8 stanzas. And what was there? That good Saint Peter, he was preaching Christianity, and at the end of the day, when he was very much tired and he needed food, he needed shelter, and he reached to at the door of an old lady, and the lady was preparing cakes, and already she had made a huge cake. But still, when Saint Peter asked for cakes, she started baking cakes again. Why? The reason was that as per her, that the cakes which she had already been prepared, those were so large that it was not she was not able to give it to Saint Peter. And twice already, that chapter 7, chapter 8, we have come to know that already she had made 2 more cakes for Saint Peter, but she was not satisfied because those were very much, as per her, those are very much large. So 9th stanza again, we can see that she has taken a very scanty part, very small portion from her doll, and she was making it flat and flat and flat, roll and roll and roll, and flat and flat and flat, and then she very thin sheet was made, and then she baked it. And when the baking was completed, then also she thought that no, it was very much large, and that she kept it on the shelf. Then chapter 10. Now Saint Peter, that lady was telling that yes, when I am eating my cake, then it is too little, but when I am giving it to someone, it is too large. And this is actually the general thought of average human being, average person, that the same thing, when you are using that, it is very average, it is not so much good, it is not so much enough. But when the same thing you are giving to somebody else, it seems very good, it seems very large. What is that? At the same time, same thing, how can it be that when you are using, that is good, and when it is not so much large, and when you are giving it to anybody else, then it is large and it is good enough? It is not possible. Actually, this is the very selfishness, narrow mind, mean mind. It shows that the very mean mind, narrow mind of some person. So this greedy lady, she was like that. And so now Saint Peter was very much angry, and then he told that yes, you greedy lady, that you are getting food, you are having water, you are having shelter, and you are having warmth to keep yourself satisfied. You are having food, you are having shelter, and you are having warmth. But though you are having everything, but you are not generous enough to share it to somebody else. So you are too far too selfish. Too far too selfish means you are more than selfish. You are very much selfish. You are so selfish that cannot be explained. So you are not able to have your you are having a body, we are having the human body, and when we are having the human body, we should have the humanity inside us. When we don't have the humanity, we are we can't deserve this human body. So that's why Saint Peter told, though you are having everything, but you are not not only a good human being, you are not a human being also. So you do not deserve to be inside this. You should not have this human body. And Saint Peter cursed the lady, and the lady, the moment the Saint Peter cursed her, the lady turned into a bird, and the bird was a woodpecker. And that what was that? When we are getting food, why she was turned into a woodpecker? Because the woodpecker, the whole day, that the woodpecker needs to just bore and bore and bore and bore, and then it will be able to make shelter, or it will be able to make get a little bit food. So then only you will be able to understand that how much it is how much it is very much difficult just to achieve food, to get food. So when you got food that in a very easy way, you did not respect that. Respect means what? That whatever we are getting, everything is only for us. No, na? That when we are human being, when we are having much, then we should share it. So if we don't have that mentality, so we cannot be in a human body. So human body means we are having human body means we should be human also. So the moment Saint Peter cursed the lady turned into a woodpecker, into the bird woodpecker, and it flew out from the chimney. And the lady, when she was working, that she had a scarlet colored scarf on her head, and that was there. But the other dresses, clothes she was wearing, it was burned, and it turned into into black color like coal. And that the boys, the school going boys, children, and the people who live in the countryside, everybody knows that whenever they see any woodpecker, the bird woodpecker, they can understand, they can remember that actually this bird was actually an old lady. But as she was very much greedy, she was not generous, she was not kind, she was not helpful. And not only if anybody is not kind, not helpful, that is not good. But when somebody is that like this, he or she must be cursed. So this old lady, she was cursed, and she was turned into a woodpecker due to this reason. So this is the summary. This is the story of your legend of legend of the Northland. So actually it was a legend of the Northland, but everywhere we have this type of stories. Actually it tells us that what is the lesson, what we should learn from that. That actually when we are having something, we should not be selfish, we should not be so much greedy, we should not be so much unkind. Whatever we are having, if it is necessary, we should share it to others. So you read it, watch the video, and of course if you face any problem, you share it with me. Again, share it with me, tell it to me. I will obviously, of course, I will clear your doubt. So thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.